in their space.
I don't care. I don't wash my shirt. I can do it the next day.
Right.
That's perfectly reasonable request. Right. Yeah. But so for the past year, I have made sure that every day there's things.
Right. Has he acknowledged that?
Is that motion for the next day?
Right.
Because he would have forgotten the whole thing.
Right. It was just in the back pocket to deflate.
I'm like, you can't change it, you know, to
This is West India
People make
Quay.
small changes that make a lot of
we
difference.
can change our behavior.
Yeah.
We can change little things. It's fine.
Yes. Oh, I know.
But it gave me a lot of insight into the way they feel attacked. If you thought that it was too big of a thing to ask me
Yeah.
to do that. I mean, that's not a big deal.
I know. They should go back to communicate. Not gonna blow up in the first
Stratford. The next stop is Poplar. Change the stations towards Stratford and London City Airport. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Oh, wait. We're on the wrong side. Yeah.
Well, whatever.
Okay, we'll get over here. Thank you for noticing everyone.
Probably not the right
No. We're doing well so far. We've got to one place.
How strict are the times on tickets? Like, what are the...
Not that strict, but like the first thing I just asked them to do.
Okay.
That's at the 11.
Okay.